In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature that came out in MTR app version 4.5.37. I'm going to just quickly show the configuration of what's called coordinated meetings here. The purpose of this feature is to be able to link together multiple MTR systems or an MTR system with a Surface Hub from Microsoft. The secondary system can then be used for example, whiteboard functionality, or it has the better connection to a microphone or a speaker or camera or something like that. So we enable the coordinated meeting here, and we can choose what should be used on this particular device. So we have two devices or more, and we choose which system will handle what kind of functionality. So for example, the microphone and camera can be on this system, which could be the main system, and the whiteboard feature down here is on another system. So I won't turn that on. And in the last box here, I enter the address of the other system. So this system has a demo.4 name, and that's what I write in the coordinating meetings on the secondary system. On the secondary system then, I could for example switch off the microphone. I can choose if people are allowed to turn it on in the meeting or not by checking this box on or off. I can do the same with the camera. I want them to be able to turn on the camera, or I don't want them to turn on the camera. And then we have the whiteboard. So if the secondary system is a Surface Hub, this would be an ideal setting, I think, because it's excellent as a whiteboard, but maybe not as a camera. Then I just save and exit, and when someone dial one of these two systems, the other one will be auto-connected to the call, and the different devices will be connected from the different units. So with this setting that I went through now, the MTR system could be used for microphone, camera and speakers. And the secondary system, like the Surface Hub, can be used as a whiteboard in the room. So that's what I wanted to show you in this short video. And I hope it gave you some information that could be useful. And if you liked the video, you're welcome to subscribe to this channel.